Merging node sets in XSLT 3.0 with Saxon XQuery and Saxon XQuery. Introduction. When working with XSLT 3.0 and Saxon, you may encounter a need to merge two or more node sets dynamically using XQuery code executed via Saxon XQuery and Saxon XQuery extension functions. A common challenge is how to pass multiple node sets as inputs to an XQuery, since the Saxon XQuery function's third argument traditionally accepts only atomic values or single context items. The problem. You want to merge, or combine, two node sets in XSLT by invoking an XQuery expression compiled with Saxon XQuery. Ideally, the first node set would be bound as the context item, second argument, and the second node set passed as a parameter. However, Saxon seems to restrict the third argument to atomic values, making it unclear how to pass multiple complex node sets. The modern solution: pass an array of node sets as context. A practical and clean way is to pass an array containing both node sets as the single context item argument to Saxon XQuery. Saxon supports arrays of nodes as context, allowing your XQuery to access multiple node collections simultaneously. Example. Here's a trimmed and annotated version of the solution. Explanation. The XQuery is designed to access two collections via one and two, which correspond to the first and second nodes in the passed array. We wrap the two node sets into an array and pass it as the context item, second argument, to Saxon XQuery. This approach bypasses the limitation of the third argument by bundling your inputs into one array. Alternative: using XSL merge. If your task is simply to merge input sequences within XSLT without invoking XQuery dynamically, consider XSL merge for performance and simplicity, especially when orders and grouping are straightforward. Summary. Saxon's Saxon XQuery accepts a single context item, which can be an array containing multiple node sets. Use an XQuery accessing these node sets via positional arguments, 1, 2, etc. This method is cleaner and more flexible than embedding inputs into a synthetic XML wrapper. For pure XSLT merging, XSL merge might be a better choice depending on requirements. This approach leverages Saxon EE 9.9 Plus features and demonstrates clean interoperation between XSLT 3.0 and XQuery to efficiently merge node sets.